Lesson 3-9, Example 2. Our objective is learning to solve equations involving decimals. So here we have a problem. The area of Emily's floor is 33 and 7/500 square meters. If its length is 4 and 5/10 meters, what is its width? So our question, width of the floor, and I know some information that I have is that the area is equal to 33 and 7/500 square meters, and the length of the carpeted area, or the area of the floor, is 4 and 5/10 meters. I also know, here's my strategy, I also know that area is equal to length times width. And so if I know that, then I can go ahead and start to solve that. So I know the area is 33 and 7/500 square meters, and I know the length is 4 and 5/10 meters. What I don't know, and what I want to know, is the width, and I'll use W for that. So now, here I have a multiplication problem. 4 and 5/10 times W equals 33 and 7/500. I want to get W by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4 and 5/10. That'll leave me W by itself, but I need to do a little bit more work here. So I'm going to set this up, 33 and 7/500 divided by 4 and 5/10. I'm going to move this decimal over both places. So now I have 337 and 5/10 being divided by 45. Well, I can go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to put that decimal up there. So 45 goes into 337 7 times. 7 times 45 is 315. End up with 22. I'm going to bring my 5 down. 45 goes into 225 5 times. And I end up with W, the width, equaling 7 and 5/10 meters. Let's double check though. If this is true, then I should be able to say 4 and 5/10 times 7 and 5/10 should give me 33 and 7/500. So 7 and 5/10 times 4 and 5/10 should give me what I start my area. So 25, 37, 20, 20, 30, 5, 7, 3, 3. I have 1, 2 decimal places, so I have 1, 2 decimal places, 33 and 7/500, 33 and 7/500. So my solution to this problem is correct, 7 and 5/10 meters wide. Let's take a look at another question that builds on this one. If carpet costs $23 per square meter, what is the total cost to carpet the floor? So I know that the question is total cost. The information that I have, that I'm given here, is it's $23 per square meter. I think I said foot before, I meant meter. So meter squared. And the area I know from the previous problem is 33 and 7/500 square meters. I got that from the previous question right here. So in order to solve this particular problem, I need to think what the total cost is. Well, if the area is, I just need to know the area multiplied by that cost per square meter. So 33 and 7/500 times $23. And I can set this up, 33 and 7/500 multiplied by 23, 15, 22, 11, 10, 10, 15, 7, and 6. Add that up, 5, 2, 6, 7, 7. I have 2 decimal places here, so I have 1, 2 decimal places. So my solution should be $776.25 as the total cost of that carpeting to carpet the floor. Let me double check that though. I could take my $776.25 and if I divide it by the area, I should come up with the cost per square meter. So let's try that. 776 and 2500ths divided by 33 and 7500ths. Well, I'm going to move this decimal over 2 places, so I'm going to move it over 2 decimal places here. Rewrite my problem. So now I have 77,625 being divided by 3,375. And 3,375 goes into 7,762 2 times. 6,750. 2, 1, 0, and 1. This 5 comes down. 3,375 goes into 10,125 3 times. 10,125. 0, and so I end up with 23. And 23 was what I started with as the cost per meter. So my solution of the total cost, $776.25, is correct.